Hello class. I'm going to show you how to block in this little drawing here in preparation for a continuous contoured drawing. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this pencil. It's just an ordinary little pencil. You never press hard when you do a block in because you might want to erase it later. And also, you don't even have to erase it if you draw lightly and you go over it with ink later. So yeah, here we go. So first I kind of figure out where I want everything. Sometimes I'll just like mark where I want the top of the thing and then the bottom, just to establish like how much of the paper I want it to take up. And then also, in addition to the height, also the width. So the fattest part of the little picture be about there. So once I have that established, basically, you don't need much more than that. But I'm just going to put a little bit more in. I'm going to totally ignore the grapes for now. So I'm just going to put some light marks. You can see I'm just using like straight little lines. This little picture is, except for the handle and the spout, it's pretty symmetrical, meaning it's the same on both sides. Just lightly, very lightly. You can see this is not taking very long. You don't want this to take a long time. It should just go really quick. I think that looks okay. Maybe this could be a little fatter. I think it just needs to be a little bit fatter. You see, I'm not going to bother to erase anything. I just made it a little fatter. Then just quickly, I'm going to block in the handle. It's almost like a big teardrop shape inside. I'll just put that in. See right in there, the teardrop shape. So, and then just that's enough. That's all I need. Now for the grapes, I'm pretty sure I need about one grape here. And I was talking in class today about kids often just like go grape crazy and they just start drawing circles as fast as they can. You really have to draw each individual grape. I'm also going to just establish where the stem is. Kind of looking through the grapes, the stem looks about like that. There's a grape right about here that goes over this edge. The grape behind I'll do last. This might be a little big in relation to this one. There's another grape that just barely, it's just a little bit far away from that one. I think the grapes are too small actually. So because I've just blocked it in lightly, I can just make them bigger again. I think I'm just going to make this one bigger, because they're not taking up the amount of space that it looks like they would in here. That may have gotten too big. Anyway, if this grape is here, then there's a little space right here. So I'm just going to establish that. And this grape might be a little more oval than the one above it. Now the space seems too small, so I'm just going to, not erasing anything, I'm just going to put this grape right in between there. It's behind both these grapes. You see how this one's overlapping it a little bit, and this one's overlapping a little bit. And that looks about right. Just quickly, just for funsies, I'll just establish the table line. I think in the picture you're using, there's you can see a corner and things. I'd like for you to put that